In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Photoshop's generative fill feature for object removal, background replacement, and image expansion. These techniques are essential for any Photoshop user aiming to enhance their image editing skills significantly. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, what you'll need to do is head over to Adobe Photoshop. Ensure you have the latest version installed, as the generative fill tool is a relatively new feature, and keeping your software up to date is always a good idea to access the latest tools and improvements. Once you have Photoshop open, the next step is to load your image. You can do this by going to File and selecting Open from the drop-down menu. Navigate through your files and choose the image that you'd like to work with today. Now that your image is open, let's get into selecting the object you want to modify. You'll need the selection tool for this. In the toolbar on the left, you'll see various selection tools like the lasso, quick selection, or the magic wand. Choose one that you're comfortable with and carefully outline the object you intend to remove or replace. Precision in this step is crucial as it defines the area Photoshop will work on. Once you've selected your object, the next step involves using the right-click menu. Move your cursor over the selected area and right-click to bring up the context menu. Here, you'll find the option for Generative Fill, which is at the core of today's tutorial. This powerful tool is what you will employ for object removal, background replacement, and image expansion. Let's break these options down a bit. If your goal is to remove an object from the image entirely, Generative Fill will seamlessly blend the surrounding pixels to cover the selected area, making it appear as though the object was never there. Similarly, for background replacement, you can choose a new background image, and Photoshop will replace the selected area while maintaining the harmony of the entire image. For image expansion, the tool helps create a larger canvas, filling in additional space intelligently based on the existing content. After you've applied the generative fill option that fits your goals, give Photoshop a moment to process and implement your command. The results are usually quite impressive, but feel free to make any additional tweaks if necessary to achieve the perfect outcome. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can use Adobe Photoshop's generative fill function to handle object removal, replace backgrounds, and expand images effortlessly. Keep experimenting with different selections and settings to see all the creative possibilities this tool offers. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!